just come back after being on the sick for 2 days. Actually, I came back Wednesday. It's Thursday now, and got the keys back to my truck. Somebody's only going twatted it, haven't they? Phoned up Ireland, told them. I said, I thought you employed decent drivers at this company. Oh, we do. I says, well, what about the twat that flipping twatted my truck then? Left a load of damage. We don't know nothing about that. Well, you do fucking now. I don't give a damn anyway. Don't care. Not my problem. My job is to race trucks down the M6. That's my job. I'm good at that.